Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 12. Get ready for the education. Start. Along with the formation of the Central Command and the rapid deployment force of the United States, this area which had been free from nuclear threat will now have this threat for times to come stop. And we have to ponder over it, and government will have to do some serious thinking how to neutralize and how to minimize its effect, the threat which is to our country. If we also compare India's track record as far as nuclear energy development program or use of nuclear energy is concerned, we will see that right from the early 50s or even the late 40s, we had taken recourse to borrowing technology from Canada, the United States, France, and other advanced countries. But today we are in a position where we have not only added to our indigenization efforts and innovated and reached a position of self reliance in technology, but we are also in a position where we can help other third world countries. In the last general body meeting of the International Atomic Energy Authority in Vienna, the superpowers were not keen to transfer technology to the poorer and the developing third world countries who are at the moment suffering from shortage of funds as well as energy, but on the other hand pressure was put on India to sign the NFT, which India rightly has been refusing. And it goes to the credit of our scientists that we made a commitment on behalf of India that we would share our technology and our expertise in the field of nuclear power generation with the developing third world countries at a time when nobody was willing to share it with them. While we have been keeping up to our principles and thesis of peaceful use of atomic energy and have gone ahead with fast breeder technology reactors. We have in the field of medicines, we have also set up research centers for the fast breeder technology reactors. We have, by our tolerance and principled stand, not gone in for the uranium enrichment facilities which our scientists are capable of. This, I suppose, is being taken as a weakness and not as our principled stand. Therefore, this advantage which is being taken by the United States of America and Pakistan must be taken serious note of. It is another matter of serious concern and of significance that the stepping up of arms race as well as the stepping up of activities to destabilize our country were intensified in 1980 and more especially after the 7th non-aligned conference here in Delhi. Stop.